The Anti-Corruption Network, a civil society organization set up by former Senator Dino Melaye to fight against corruption in Nigeria, has raised alarm over the sum of 797 billion naira approved by the Federal Executive Council for the reconstruction of roads. The Federal Executive Council, during its meeting presided over by President Muhammadu Buhari on the 3rd of March, approved the sum for the rehabilitation of the Abuja-Kaduna Zaria-Kano Road, which is said to be 375 kilometers in total and is considered to be the most expensive road on earth at the average cost of 2.1 billion naira per kilometer. The Anti-Corruption Network, through its founder and executive secretary Dino Melaye, while addressing newsmen in Abuja on Monday, said the contract for the road construction is expensive, outrageous and ridiculous.
This is probably the most expensive road construction anywhere in the world, anywhere on earth, with each kilometer costing $6 million. That's about 2.1 billion naira per kilometer. The Anti-Corruption Network has observed with dismay that the cost of the road construction in Nigeria has been consistently outrageous, which now calls for serious scrutiny. According to a report put out by the Apex Bank of the World, that's World Bank, the cost of constructing 1 kilometer of road is 238 million. I repeat, World Bank benchmark for construction of road per kilometer is 238 million naira. This figure is a benchmark that usually shouldn't be surpassed, regardless of several factors.
The agency, while lamenting on the outrageous amount approved for the road reconstruction, also said it has become a norm for road construction in Nigeria to cost over $1 billion naira compared to other African countries, and consequently begs for scrutiny.
In Liberia, the cost of building a kilometer road has been estimated at $1 million US, which is 381 million naira, or $1.2 million, which is 457 million naira. But the story is obviously different in Nigeria, the most populous black nation on earth. It has become almost a norm for a kilometer of road in Nigeria to cost more than 1 billion naira to construct. However, the one awarded last week by the Federal Executive Council is going to cost 2.1 billion naira per kilometer. The question that begs for answer is, why is Nigeria the costless place to build roads in Africa? The answer may not be far-fetched, as it is believed that the government intentionally allows these hikes in order to get kickbacks from the contractors, since they can't run the projects themselves.
The Anti-Corruption Society, further reacting to the approval, registered their displeasure over the award of the road construction to Julius Berger and threatened to embark on a protest if their demand of a downward review is not met.
Anti-Corruption Network state unequivocally that the said contract is outrageous, ridiculous, and should be scrutinized. And if the federal government refuses to revisit this contract awarded to Julius Berger, I insist that the Anti-Corruption Network will have no option than to mobilize a civil protest to press home these corruption charges. We are going to give the government a reasonable time after this press conference to scrutinize the award of this contract, and if there is no downward review, then we will definitely, through the instrumentality of civil protests, call the attention of government to order.